levels of adjustable suction. Can extension rod. 25,000 pascals hurricane suction. Automatically increases suction power when garbage is detected. Turn on automatic cleaning. The machine will automatically clean when placed on it. Hear a click. Assembly completed. Easily suck away the garbage in the sofa seams. Hear a click. Assembly completed. Click this button, pull up. Effective in sucking in large particles. Press this button to pull down. Effectively clean dust from sofas and other objects. Open the water filling port. Fill it with water. This button can be set to drip or not. Extension rod combination mop. Effectively reduce stooping. Easy and enjoyable mopping cleaning. Rotating mopping. Effective and fast dirt removal. Press the button. Remove the dust bag. Disposable dust bag makes cleaning easy. 3L dust box capacity. Press this button to remove the dust box. Easy to clean dust box. 2 charging methods. Charging base and charging cable.